Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and practical tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XDC from Coinbase Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're looking to move your XDC tokens for better yields or portfolio management, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a Coinbase wallet with some XDC tokens and a verified Crypto.com account. This process involves blockchain transactions, so double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in securely. Head over to your asset dashboard and locate your XDC holdings. Step 2. Select the XDC you want to transfer. Tap or click on the Send or Transfer button. It's usually straightforward and right there on the screen. Step 3. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Open your Crypto.com app, go to your wallet section, and copy the XDC address. Paste it carefully into Coinbase. Remember, one wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Step 4. Input the amount of XDC you're transferring. Keep an eye on any network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on network congestion, so aim to transfer a bit extra if needed. Step 5. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, address, and fees. Once you're confident, hit Confirm. You'll get a transaction ID, and it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on the XDC network. After the transfer, log into Crypto.com and check your wallet to confirm the XDC has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Use the transaction ID to track it on a blockchain explorer. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security, and only use official apps to prevent scams. There you have it. You're now a pro at transferring XDC. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.